Okay, so I picked this Zippo lighter up at my drugstore yesterday. Just now opening it up. But when I saw it, it just screamed to me. It just screamed perfect. A zombie lighter for the zombie master. uh, yeah, I just thought this was fantastic. My pharmacy never carries Zippos ever. They always carry disposable lighters. So this was a pretty much fantastical surprise. They only had 3. This one, a Jim Beam, and a Jack Daniels. So what do you think I picked? It says on the sticker here, $28.95. There it goes. The macro finally zoomed in. Can't help that I'm shaking. Camera phone, you know. But I actually paid $32 for it. I'm hoping it's a real Zippo lighter. It has the sticker and the bottom. G Zippo 11, Bradford, PA. Made in USA. I had to look off camera. It looks fucked up, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna fill this lighter real quick. Take the sticker off. Where the fuck did I put my little handmade tray? Here it is. This is the little jerry-rigged holder I made for this thing. This is an old Leatherman holder, which I do not use because it says right on it, made in Pakistan. Fuck that. And this portion is from one of my models that I never built. Scrapped it, blew it up. So, put the phone. There we go. Trying to get this. Alright. So here's the lighter. Here's the sticker. I'm going to try to. Oh, do you know? The sticker came off without even having to really peel at it. I'm going to take this trick I learned from. Well, everybody saw this off a Cutlery Lovers channel. Pulled it. Wow, this sucker's in there. Good. Alright, so there's no there's no fluid in it. Sucker's in there tight. Son of a bitch. Alright, there it goes. He said, flip it up, turn it around, put it in upside down. I'm going to take my little NRA knife and pull up the little felt. Trying to get this on camera. Here's my Zippo brand lighter fluid, premium formula. Personally, I think it smells like shit, and it burns too quickly. Alright, that's more than plenty. Yep, I actually overfilled it. Oh well. Yeah, I way overfilled it. See, it's gushing out. That don't matter. I'm going to be playing with this thing. Turn it around. Put the insert back in. I don't care that I overfilled it. There it goes. Ta-da! Try to get this up. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I sound like a fucking idiot. That's a beautiful lighter. So now I'm gonna go wash my hands. I know I'm touching the phone right now. I shouldn't be, but I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'll take a microfiber cloth to the exterior, because I don't know if this is painted on or what, but I'm definitely going to take a microcloth to the phone since I've been touching it and there's lighter fluid on my hands. So This is Zombie Master Ed 25, bragging about his new zombie lighter. All right, take it easy.